Hello friends, lot of people are asking what is this aligner technology, how exactly aligners can be better than braces. So I thought I will make a quick video for you explaining the step by step everything related to the aligners. So here is my case presentation of this 25-year-old Deepika. So she, as you see, has come to my setup and she wants to get her teeth aligned. They are not lined up properly, some teeth are outside. So after doing the detailed evaluation and discussion with us, I will show you exactly from start to finish how the aligner we are going step by step. So as you see this Deepika, after I examine her, okay, we will do a series of photographs. I explained her what exactly is the aligner. She agreed for aligner treatment. She doesn't want to do braces. So she doesn't want any wires in the mouth, and this is one beauty of aligner treatment, that without any wires you can get the teeth aligned with the help of this material which is called as the aligners. Okay, so anyone who wants to know about the aligners, this video is for you, and I'm going to explain now with this case presentation how exactly we did. So after explaining the entire treatment plan to Deepika, what we did is we took a number of photographs from different angles. After taking the photographs, the most important step is the 3D scanning. So friends, this 3D scanning is a very unique and amazing technology where there is nothing put in the mouth. It's just a scanner. There is no materials going in the mouth, and the scanner is taking the 3D data of your teeth. This data is then transferred to the computer, and after discussion with the patient and aligner company. Now if you want to know which is the aligner company, what will be the cost, at the end of the video I am going to discuss it. So please watch the video till the end. So as you see, then later on we discuss the entire plan. I am showing the 3D animated video to Deepika where she can exactly visualize that this is the position of my teeth, and after wearing the aligners, this is how it is going to look. So once she agrees and we give her a quotation which is finalized and approved by Deepika, we send the data back to the aligner company, and with the 3D printing technology we get the aligners nicely. Okay, I will quickly show you. Come see, this is the aligners we are getting. Okay, so for this case we have opted for the Smile aligners, and you can see the box packing of these aligners. I have opened one of the boxes. Okay, so we can open the aligners. They come in the packaging like this, and each of the aligner, they will have the numbering like this, as you can see. So this is aligner number U17. U means upper, so this is for the upper teeth, and this is the aligner number 17. So this aligner the patient is going to click on to her teeth is very easy to put and wear at least for 20 to 22 hours. So this aligner the patient is going to wear at least for 20 to 22 hours. Only while brushing and while eating you are supposed to remove the aligners. Sometimes it is difficult to push the aligner, so we also give a rubber stop like this. So after putting the aligner, when you chew, the aligner fits in very nicely. And if it is very tight, we also give you what is called as the aligner removal tool, so you can pull the aligner out. So this is precisely how the aligner works. All the aligners we will give you from series 1 to series 10, 20, 30 depending upon the number of aligners required. And just by wearing it, the beauty of this is because it is so transparent, no one else comes to know that you are actually undergoing the braces treatment, or I can say the teeth alignment treatment without any braces. Now when it comes to the cost, friends, there depends a lot also on which company aligner we are using. Like for example, if you have heard about Invisalign, it is like the iPhone of aligners. So typically the Invisalign cost start from 2 lakh onwards and go all the way to 250, 260 depending upon the complexity of your case. There are some other aligners made locally also, like Illusion aligners, Smile aligners, or Flash or Go. These companies range, for the basic level cases they range from 60 to 90,000 rupees, and for the mid level cases they range from 1,10,000 to 1,40,000 rupees. Most of the doctors, when you're paying, they give the EMI option, so you don't have to pay everything together. You have to pay at installments of 20-30,000 each. So regarding the age of aligners, I think any patient can get the aligner done after the age of 15-16. It is almost possible that everyone can get the aligners done. And maybe even in the senior age group where visibility is the concern, you don't want to move around wearing braces, I think aligner is one very good option. Only I have seen the very complex cases where there is lot of skeletal issues, like if the jaw is very much ahead or very much behind, sometimes it gets very difficult to manage only with the aligners, and in those cases maybe the wiring could be a better option. So friends, in short, I have tried to explain you everything regarding when the aligners should be used, how they are made, how the patient discussions are happening, what exactly is the aligner, how to wear it. So I hope this quick and short video on aligners you liked it. You will share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel. Till next time, thank you very much.